In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a blank name, so you get a no name in Among Us on Android and iOS after the patch. So it has been patched in the last update, but I'm going to show you how to still get a blank name. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up your browser and then you want to search for the following code. Search for U plus plus 3 1 8 D. You want to search for this and then you want to just search it and then go to the first website, compart.com, and as you can see it looks like a dot. So what you want to do is you want to zoom in, then hold the dot and then select it like this, and then you want to copy it, and this is basically everything you want to do. Now go to Among Us. I'm going to launch Among Us right now and I'm going to show you that this works and that you can join a game without a name. So this is after the patch. The other codes don't work anymore. They are all patched. So this is the only way how to get no name in Among Us. So you want to hit online, then enter in your name. So you want to hold it, remove enter name, then hold it, and then paste. As you can see, it's something like a dot. And then hit public and just go into a random. I'm going to show you proof. It's full. Let me show you. When you go into a lobby, just like this, as you can see, I got no name. It's like a very small dot, but hardly anyone can see it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.